Hello and welcome back to Salesforce Hulk. In today's video, we are going to bust some myths about Salesforce ecosystem. While we all know about the demands, salaries and growth that Salesforce offers, there are some myths that needs to be busted. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. Well, here's the truth. While Salesforce certifications are undoubtedly valuable and highly regarded, they don't alone get you a job. Employers often look for practical experience and real-time projects to complement your certification. So, it is important to gain hands-on experience in order to enhance your chances of landing your dream job. Myth number 2. As a fresher, you won't be earning a six-figure salary. And that's absolutely true. Like in any other industry, earning a six-figure salary takes time, effort, and experience. With dedication, continuous learning, and valuable experience, you can climb the ladder and achieve the six figures that you dream of. Myth number 3. It's difficult to get a job as a fresher. Well, here's the truth. Finding a job as a fresher can be challenging, but it's not impossible. The key is to actively seek opportunities, network with professionals, and to showcase your skills through volunteering, internships, and projects. Remember, persistence and positive attitude will help you get your first job and kickstart your career in Salesforce. Myth number 4. Salesforce admin jobs are limited, especially in India. While it's true that the demand for Salesforce admin is comparatively higher in regions like United States, it doesn't mean that you should limit yourself to just one role. In fact, Salesforce ecosystem is vast and offers various other roles like developers, consultants, analysts, and many more. By diversifying and upskilling your skill set, you can explore a wide range of opportunities within Salesforce industry. Myth number 5. Paid training is the only way to learn Salesforce. Well, that's far from truth. There are numerous free resources that can help you learn Salesforce from scratch. But having said that, it is also true that paid training offers a guided curriculum and helps you complete a given skill within a defined time. Myth number 6. The future of Salesforce is uncertain. On the contrary, the future of Salesforce is incredibly bright. As businesses worldwide continue to embrace digital transformation, the demand for Salesforce professionals is only going to rise. The ecosystem is constantly evolving and offering opportunities for innovation, growth, and career advancement. So if you are passionate about Salesforce, rest assured you are entering into an industry with immense growth and opportunities. And there you have it, 6 truths about Salesforce industry that you might not have heard before. Remember, this video is not meant to discourage, but to encourage you. The Salesforce industry is full of opportunities, but it's important to be aware of the realities and work towards your goal with dedication and passion. Stay determined and embrace your journey ahead. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more insightful comment, and don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section.